Trigger Man, where we play no games and we got good aim. Welcome to the channel and thank you for watching. The Trigger Man.
All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here, today we're doing a giveaway for the Porphis PRD 717. Okay, we got 3 guns, and there will be 2 winners. Okay, split nozzle, UK technology, Mr. Brown. So yeah, here we go. To win the first gun, to be entered to win this gun. Okay. Ooh, it's so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Okay, to win this gun, you must go in the comment section under this video, type in kindness for Porphis. Okay, that's what this giveaway is all about. Kindness. Okay, being kind to others. You must go in the comment section, enter kindness for Porphis, and you will be entered to win this gun. Okay, I'm gonna select the winner based on your loyalty to the channel. After every video, I tell you guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All right? Okay. So that's gonna enter you to win this gun. Okay, and to win this set of other guns, these guns, two guns for one of you. Okay, PRD 717, equipped with the, man, you're gonna love that. Both split nozzle. Split nozzle. Ooh. Boy, you come in there with spraying like Charles Bronson. Watch. Matrix. But yeah, to enter for these 2 guns. First off, whoever wins these guns, you're gonna feel good, right? You're gonna feel real good. Like, damn, 2 guns. Won them, free, good. You know? You're gonna feel good. So what you gotta do, you gotta go out, make somebody else feel good. All right? What you gotta do, take your phone, record kindness for Porphis. Proceed to do something nice for someone else. Make someone else feel good, just as you will if you win these guns. Make somebody feel good, okay? Whatever from your heart you feel, do it. You know what I mean? So whether it's helping an old lady, an elderly lady, with her groceries, paying for her groceries, behind you, in front of you, however, you know, whatever you got to do to make somebody feel good, whatever you think, okay? Of course, you know, more kind the gesture, the higher your chances are, you know? And don't go trying to be sneaky and bamboozle the old Trigger Man and have your auntie or your girlfriend or your grandma go stand there and, you know, it's got to be genuine. You know what I mean? Be genuine. You know, you shouldn't be trying to do that anyway. You know, even if you don't win the guns, you're going to be winning in life. You know what I'm saying? Just do something kind, man. Do it from the heart. That's what this is. Don't try to be slick. If I feel like you're doing something sneaky and, you know, I'm going to ban you. You're going to be banned. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Do something genuine. Do something nice for somebody. Record it. Upload it to your social media, or you can send it to my Instagram, something that I have access to download. Put it up on the screen. Show it why I selected you. And that's going to be it, man. Just do something nice, something genuine. You know what I'm saying? And you'll get, you'll get them. Okay? So today is the 27th, July 27th. I'll run this for a week. So next Saturday, on August 3rd, is when I'll announce the winner of both guns. Okay? Good luck to everybody. I don't know how many people are going to go out and do something nice for somebody, you know. But hopefully we do have a few people to enter, you know. If one person enters, only 2 people enter, hey, you're going to get the gun, you know what I'm saying? So that's all, man. I'm not going to send you through a treasure hunt through my videos to find the one video when I pick my nose or I lift my leg. You know, nothing like that, man. Just go do something kind for somebody and you're entered. Okay? So good luck to everybody, and I will see you August 3rd, Saturday. Okay? Good luck. Peace.